In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo Weebly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to replace the default site title with your own brand mark in the header and fine-tune how it looks, all inside the Weebly editor. Once you're in the site editor, move your cursor to the very top of the page where the header lives. Hover directly over the existing site title in the header. You'll notice it becomes interactive, indicating that you can edit it. Click on it to open the settings panel for that header area. Inside this panel, look for the option labeled Logo. Select it to switch from a text title to an image. Now choose your logo file. For the cleanest results, upload a PNG with a transparent background. A transparent PNG prevents a solid box from showing behind your logo and helps it blend naturally with your header color or background image. Aim for a crisp, high-resolution file that isn't overly large. A width that suits your header layout and a file size that's optimized will keep your site looking sharp and loading quickly. If your brand has multiple versions of the logo, pick the horizontal or stacked version that reads clearly at smaller sizes. After your file uploads, use the built-in editor tools to dial in the appearance. Start with size. Increase or decrease the logo until it's legible but not overpowering. A balanced header leaves comfortable space for your navigation and keeps the page feeling open. Maintain the logo's original proportions so circles stay round and text doesn't look stretched. Next, refine the position. Align the logo so it lines up with other header elements. Small nudges left, right, or centered can make a big visual difference. Watch the spacing above and below so the logo doesn't feel cramped. If your theme shows a background image in the header, place the logo where contrast is strongest for easy readability. Finally, adjust filter settings if needed. Subtle tweaks to brightness or contrast can help a lighter logo pop on a dark header, or calm a bold mark on a bright background. Keep these edits gentle so colors remain true to your brand. As you make changes, keep an eye on the live preview in the editor. When the logo looks clean, balanced, and consistent with your brand, you're done. That's all it takes to change your logo in Weebly and present a polished header that supports your site's identity.